Alice, and I wanted to give some Shanti Kai essences that are awesome to use before dates. The most important thing to do before going on a date is to just make sure you're feeling really good about yourself, you're feeling confident and beautiful. Essences I like to use for that is Venus. So Venus is one that just helps fill your energy with that Venus flirty social charm that I really like, and just helps with self-confidence and feeling good about yourself. Also, Attract is a great one to use with that. Attract and Venus together are the companion essences to help draw in a relationship or your soulmate. And so you can use Attract, that helps to open up your energy field and get you ready for drawing in a really great relationship or a great dating experience. Another one is Goddess Power. So again, this is just, you want to feel empowered, you want to feel strong and confident, and that way you'll be able to put your best self forward. Goddess Power is a really great one to use before going on a date. Or Empower. Empower is also another one that's very empowering and helps with cleansing, clearing your energy, and also protective of your energy. So it's a great one to use so that you stay in your power, you're strong, no matter what you're going to get at the other end of the table, is be able to deal with it just fine. So those are my Shanti Kai recommendations for essences when you're dating.